Today's video I'm gonna tell you guys how I made this obstacle avoiding car using ChatGPT to write the Arduino codes, and how it's done in only 4 hours, and it's not really hard to make anything that you dream of thanks to AI. So the design is really simple. I had these plastic bricks with screws, so the body and design was a bit easy for me, but you could also do this using cardboard or wood even, if you don't have these things on your hand. uh, for the motors I went with these really cheap simple gearbox motors. They don't really matter what motors you are using because it's not gonna be carrying anything heavy or something like that. um, I didn't have idea what I how I'm gonna design it, and beforehand I just went on with the project, and it just came to my mind. So I first started with the steering because it was gonna be the hardest part of the design, but I thankfully, after watching 2 YouTube videos, I made this really simple design that, with the rotation of a servo, it moves the axis on here, and therefore the wheels can turn. Oh my god, did I break my servo? Oh no, maybe. I was gonna say it doesn't matter, but it really does because this is the only servo that I have. As for the power side, I had made this really ugly power bank, and the good part was that it had two outputs, one with low power and another with high power. I used the low power output to power the Arduino board individually from the high powered side, so it wouldn't experience any drop in voltage. So yeah, and that's my power. And I was gonna get into the wiring, but it is gonna get too long to explain. But this part, which has the ULN 2003 IC, was not actually needed, and the only reason I put this here, so when it's straight, it goes into the wall. It goes into the wall straightly, and both of the IR sensors activate. It can turn off the motors, but this part was not actually needed, and you can just pick it up yourself if it happens to run into a wall. So yeah, you could just directly connect the motors to the power bank, and for the control side, um, basically when this IR sensor activates, and the wheels are gonna turn to the left, so it's gonna move away from that side, and vice versa for the other side. And the main thing that's making it actually avoid is this ultrasonic sensors that I have set it to activate after 65 centimeters of distance. This was the sweet spot for me, but it could be different for you, because it depends how effective your steering is, and mine took around 60 centimeters to make it turn like this, so I adjusted it like this. But it's not really sturdy. I have to fix it later. And if you're wondering about the code, I just told ChatGPT to write it for me. It's just a matter of how good you can tell ChatGPT what you want, and how you can tell him to prioritize which input data is the most important. For example, I told him if an IR sensor is activated, it just needs to not care about the signal from the ultrasonic, because this has a really low range, and it needs to turn immediately. But it's smart. It can easily write the code for you. You just only need to click upload and follow the pin and configuration that it also gives you for all of your sensors. Um, there's nothing else I can tell you about this. I just wanted to prove that it's not really hard to make a robotic devices like this car. And now I'm gonna show you it in action, and you can see how it works. So now you can see it in action. uh, is it gonna avoid this? Oh, it it didn't even need to. Okay, 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 it's really doing its job really good. But there are there are some situations that it doesn't do its job, so we can wait to see if it happens. Okay, let's pause here. And this is one of the situations that it doesn't really work, and it got stuck, as you can see, because the ultrasonic sensors works on the time, and based on the time that it takes the high frequency sound to go to an object and come back. So if the object is something soft and fluffy, so it absorbs the sound, and the ultrasonic doesn't receive feedback, so it didn't it basically didn't see the object and ran straight into it thing, but it avoided it. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. So as you can see, it doesn't really steer that good, and it got stuck. But thankfully I added the option that when the two of the IR sensors are triggered, it will automatically turn off, and as soon as I pick it up, it's gonna go do its thing like nothing has ever happened. Okay, in the past two crashes that it had, well, it was not because the sensors did not do their job well. It was because the steering is not that good, and it takes a really long distance to actually turn 270 degrees. So yeah, that was the problem. But it's gonna be an easy fix. Also, if you want a full guide on how to make this and the code, I can do that for you guys. Just comment under this video that you want the full guide, and I make the video as soon as possible.